When it comes to upgrading your home, windows are one of the most important features to consider. They affect everything from natural light and ventilation to energy efficiency and overall design. While standard windows are widely available and fit common openings, custom windows offer a more tailored solution. Understanding the difference between these two options can help you make the best choice for your home. Custom windows are designed and built specifically for your home's unique needs. Unlike standard windows, which are manufactured in fixed sizes and styles, custom windows are made to match your exact measurements, design preferences, and functional requirements. This means you're not limited to preset options. You have the flexibility to create windows that truly complement your space. One of the biggest differences between custom and standard windows is fit and precision. Standard windows are produced in common sizes, which may not always align perfectly with your existing window openings. This can lead to gaps or the need for adjustments during installation. Custom windows, on the other hand, are measured and built to fit your home exactly. This precise fit improves both appearance and performance, ensuring a cleaner look and better insulation. Design flexibility is another key advantage of custom windows. With standard options, you're often limited to a set number of styles, shapes, and finishes. Custom windows allow you to choose from a wide range of configurations, including unique shapes like arches, circles, or oversized panels. You can also select specific frame materials, colors, glass types, and hardware to match your home's architectural style. This level of customization helps create a cohesive and personalized design. Energy efficiency is another area where custom windows can stand out. Because they are built to fit perfectly, they help minimize air leaks and improve insulation. In addition, you can choose energy-efficient features such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames. These options allow you to tailor your windows to your climate and energy goals, helping reduce utility costs and maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Custom windows are especially beneficial for homes with non-standard layouts or older construction. Many older homes have window openings that don't match modern standard sizes. In these cases, custom windows eliminate the need for structural modifications, preserving the integrity of your home while still providing an updated look and improved performance. Another important difference is the impact on aesthetics and curb appeal. Custom windows can enhance both the interior and exterior appearance of your home by aligning perfectly with your design vision. Whether you want to highlight a scenic view, create a focal point, or add architectural interest, custom windows give you the freedom to achieve your desired look. Durability and quality are also key considerations. Custom windows are often built with higher attention to detail, using materials and construction methods designed for long-term performance. This can result in windows that are more durable and better suited to withstand environmental conditions. While custom windows offer many advantages, it's important to note that they may require a higher initial investment compared to standard options. However, many homeowners find that the benefits, such as improved energy efficiency, better fit, and enhanced design, make them a worthwhile long-term investment. Installation is another factor to consider. Because custom windows are made specifically for your home, they are typically installed by professionals who ensure a precise fit and proper sealing. This helps maximize performance and prevents issues like drafts or moisture intrusion. In contrast, standard windows are often more readily available and can be a quicker solution for straightforward projects. They work well for homes with common window sizes and when customization is not a priority. However, they may not provide the same level of flexibility or performance as custom options. In the end, the choice between custom and standard windows comes down to your specific needs, budget, and design goals. Custom windows offer a tailored solution that enhances both functionality and style, making them an excellent choice for homeowners who want a perfect fit and a personalized look. By understanding the differences, you can make an informed decision that improves your home's comfort, efficiency, and overall appeal for years to come.